Hello. So at the end of the first round, St. Louis Senior High School had 15 points. Our Lady of Grace Senior High School had 18 points. Kumasi High School had 20 points. And Opoku Ware School had 21 points. Contestants, we are starting our second round. And that's where we have the speed race. Your speed will count here. Each question will come to all schools at once, and you may take turns in answering. If you are the first to answer correctly, 3 points. Second, 2 points. Third or fourth, 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. Before you ring your bell, make sure you are ready with your answer, because you have just 3 seconds to start giving your answer before a bell goes out on you. Once the 3-second bell goes out on you, you lose a point. This is not the round that you say, and we have, and this is what we've worked out. As you say that, the 3 seconds will be counting. If you've not started giving the actual answer by the 3rd second, you'll be bailed out. So please take note. I wish you the best in the second round. And in this round, you can ring your bell at any time. Round 2. Find the secondary voltage of a transformer with 200 primary turns and 50 secondary turns when the primary voltage is 40 volts. Yes, Opoku Ware.
10 volts.
Come again.
10 volts.
Correct. Find the speed of an object moving in a circle of radius 8 meters, at which the magnitude of its centripetal acceleration is 0.5. Yes, Kumasi.
2 meters per second.
Correct. We continue. A 2 kilogram particle moving at 50 meters per second in a direction perpendicular to a rigid wall tracks the wall and bounces back with speed 25 meters per second. Find the magnitude of the impulse of the impact force. Opoku Ware.
150 Newton second.
Correct. We continue. Calculate the mass of iodide in a saturated solution of PbI2, given that its solubility product is 4.00 times 10 to the power negative 9. Yes, Kumasi High.
1.00 by 10 to the power negative 3 grams.
Incorrect. R is 127. Opoku Ware,
We have 2.31 grams.
Incorrect. St. Louis.
0.508 grams.
Incorrect. It is 0.254 grams. What mass of bromine will have the same number of particles as 3 grams of magnesium? Yes, Opoku Ware. Correct. What is the percentage by mass of oxygen in 60 grams of calcium oxalate, CaC2O4. Opoku Ware.
50%.
Correct. We continue. Audience, please. Thank you. If cos x equals 1 over root 2, and x is an acute angle, evaluate cos of the expression 60 degrees, yes, Kumasi High.
A fraction with numerator square root of 6 plus square root of 2 and denominator 4.
Incorrect. Evaluate cos 60 the expression, cos of the expression 60 degrees plus x. Yes, Opoku Ware.
A fraction with numerator negative root 6 minus root 2 and denominator 4.
Incorrect. Our Lady of St. Louis.
Root 2 on 2.
Incorrect. You've rang already. I finished. Our Lady of Grace.
A fraction with numerator root 6 plus root 2 and denominator 4.
That's correct. For a statistical distribution, sigma f of x, sigma from 1 to 10, f of x equals 150, and sigma 1 to 10 of f is 30. Find the mean. Yes? That's correct. Find the coordinates of the point P, which when reflected in the origin has image point A, -4, 5. Kumasi High.
4, -5.
Correct. We continue. Kumasi High, please. Oh, please, let's continue. Thank you. On what part of an organism is one likely to find a bucket fungus? Yes, Our Lady, St. Louis.
At the base of the stem, that is, at the back of the stem. At the base of the stem.
No, please. No one rang again. So it's on the back of a tree. What name is given to food sensitivity that can result in skin rashes? Our Lady of Grace. Allergy. No. Yes.
Allergic reaction.
No. So it is a food allergy. For opportunistic parasites. Kumasi High.
Oh, I have opportunistic. Oh.
It's facultative parasites. That's the end of the speed race. For the second round. The first is from Kumasi High. Kumasi High, you are saying Our Lady of Grace gave the same answer as you, yet they got it correct. No, they didn't give the same answer as you. The first school that answered gave me root 6 plus root 2 over 4, which is not the answer. The second school gave me negative root 6 minus root 2 over 4, which wasn't the answer. Third school gave me root 2 over 2, which wasn't the answer. And the last school gave me negative root 6 plus root 2 over 4. That is what the last school gave me. And the answer I was expecting was the expression root 2 minus root 6, which is equivalent to the negative root 6 plus root 2 over 4. These are the answers I have here. So your answer of root 6 plus root 2 over 4 is not the same as I was given for the last answer. Then there's another challenge from St. Louis concerning the biology. St. Louis, the question was, what part of an organism? So it's not just the part, you have to mention the organism too. So if you give me, so the first one they gave stem base, then they gave back of stem. But of what? Because herbs have stems, shrubs have stems, trees have stems. So if you tell me, so this one, if you told me the back of a woody stem, I would have accepted it. But back of stem won't cut it. So you are not getting it. So before we continue, Opoku Ware School,
Ohima, what will you take your number first?
By you. You tell me say take your number, give me.
Guys, now I'm tired. I'll go on a date with whoever gets here first.
Princess, really?
Okay, I come. Mame, feel me talking about what?
Boss, fill my tank with Super XP Euro 95.
So still on the biology, they're insisting that when they say back of stem, it means a tree. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. The difference between a tree and a stem is that the stem will start branching closer to the base, but it is still woody, and the stem of the shrub can have a back. In fact, stems, some shrubs even go bigger than certain trees. Yes. So the question asks for the part of an organism. That means we are expecting you to tell us the part and the organism. If this were to be a round one question, they would have gotten partial points for it, but this is round two. You have to be exact. So back of stem does not cut it. If you had said back of woody stem, then yes, I would have given it. So please, you are not getting it. So at the end of the second round, St. Louis Senior High School had 12 points. Our Lady of Grace Senior High School had 16 points. Kumasi High School had 26 points. And Opoku Ware School had 30 points. Opoku Ware School would like to make a change. So Mensa Bismarck Mauli is coming in for Kusi John. So thank you for being with us, John. You're welcome, Bismarck. We'll continue with the third round. In this round, each school gets a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you're right, you earn 2 points. When you're wrong, you lose a point. When you don't answer and the bell goes out on you, another school may answer correctly for the 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. So I wish you the best in this round. I'm starting with Kumasi High. According to the ideal gas law, pressure is directly proportional to volume.
False.
Correct. And everybody keep your eyes on me. At constant temperature, the volume of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. Our Lady of Grace. Correct. St. Louis. The ideal gas law assumes that gas particles have no volume and no interactions with each other. Go ahead. False. Incorrect. Opoku Ware. The ideal gas constant has the same numerical value irrespective of the unit systems used.
False.
Correct. Kumasi High. Mites are flying insects. Mites. M-I-T-E-S. Go ahead.
False.
Correct. Our Lady of Grace. Mites are parasites.
False.
Incorrect. St. Louis. Mites only live on their hosts. Mites only live on their hosts. Go ahead.
True.
Incorrect. Opoku Ware. Mites only live in the nest of their hosts.
False.
Correct. Please, when I call you, you pay attention. Kumasi High. The domain of the function y equals 1 over x is the set of x such that x... Go ahead.
False.
Correct. Please, keep your eyes only on me. Our Lady of Grace. The domain of the function y equals the expression x plus 5 over the expression x squared minus 3x plus 2 is the set of x such that x is a real number and x is not equal to 1 or 2. Go ahead.
False.
Incorrect. St. Louis. The domain of the function y equals the square root of the expression x minus 2 is the set of x such that x is a real number and x is greater than 2. Go ahead.
False.
Correct. Opoku Ware. The domain of the function y equals 1 over the square root of the expression x plus 3 is the set of x such that x is a real number and x is greater than negative 3.
True.
Correct. Kumasi High. The linear momentum of a particle is conserved whenever the net force on the particle is 0. Yes? True. Correct. Our Lady of Grace. The sum of the linear momenta of a system of two particles is conserved whenever the particles do not interact with each other. False. Correct. St. Louis. The sum of the linear momenta of a system of two particles is not conserved whenever the particles interact with each other. False. Correct. Opoku Ware. Linear momentum is conserved in the collision between two particles because colliding particles do not interact. False. Correct. Kumasi High. Potassium iodide is a simple inorganic salt used in the production of iodized salts. Go ahead. True. Correct. Our Lady of Grace. Ammonium nitrate is commonly used as fertilizer. True. Correct. St. Louis. Sodium bicarbonate is an inorganic salt used in baking. Go ahead. True. Correct. Opoku Ware. Sodium benzoate is an inorganic salt used in food preservation. True. Incorrect. Kumasi High. Candy spoil food. Go ahead. Correct. Lady of Grace. Please, correct. Lady of Grace. Fungi spoil leather. False. Incorrect. St. Louis. Fungi spoil plastics. Go ahead. False. Incorrect. Opoku Ware. Fungi are eukaryotes. Correct. 212 schools. It is possible for two triangles to intersect in. It is possible for two triangles to intersect in Kumasi High. 4 points. Go ahead. Correct. Our Lady of Grace. Kumasi High, silence. Our Lady of Grace. 5 points. Go ahead. False. Incorrect. St. Louis. 6 points. Go ahead. 2. Correct. Opoku Ware. 7 points. False. Correct. Kumasi High. If a system A Or if system A is in thermal equilibrium with system B, then system B is in thermal equilibrium with system A. Go ahead. Correct. Lady of Grace. Lady of Grace. Please, correct. If system A is in thermal equilibrium with system B, then system A and system B have the same temperature. Correct. St. Louis. If system A is in thermal equilibrium with system B, and system B is in thermal equilibrium with system C, then system A is in thermal equilibrium with system C. Go ahead. Correct. Opoku Ware. If system A is in thermal equilibrium with system D, and system D is in thermal equilibrium with system C, then system A and system C have the same temperature. Correct. That's the end of the third round.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
the third round. St. Louis Senior High School had 19 points. Our Lady of Grace Senior High School had 20 points. Kumasi High School had 42 points. And Opoku High School had 33 points. Contestants, This is the fourth and final round. Audience. Audience. In this round, we are going to solve 4 riddles. And there's a Go Riddle Bonanza from Go PLC, which will reward a school that is able to solve either 3 riddles correctly or all 4 correctly. If you're able to solve 3 correctly, 200 cedis for you. If you're able to solve 4, all the 4 correctly, you earn 400 cedis. These amounts will go to the team. I'm going to give you clues to help you solve the riddle. Each riddle will come to all of you. So I'll be giving you clues to help you solve the riddle. If you're able to solve on the first clue, 5 points, second, fourth, third, to the last, 3 points. You may take turns, but if you take your turn and you are not successful, you set out of competition for that particular riddle. You may join us for the next if there is any. I wish you all the best. As soon as you are ready with your solution, press the door. You can stop me at any time. So we start the 4th round. I am a fiscal quantity. I am a scalar quantity. I may be positive or negative. I'm approximately additive. I equal the reciprocal of focal length. Yes, Opoku Ware. Optical power. Correct. We continue. Please settle so that we continue. Your contestants need to hear me. I am a reaction that takes place at high temperatures. I'm a decomposition reaction. I often take place in the absence of catalysts. I lead to the formation of saturated and yes, Opoku Ware. Incorrect. Our Lady of Grace, St. Louis. Correct. We continue. I am a 3-digit even number. My last digit is a square. I am between 700 and 800. Yes, Kumasi High. Correct. We continue. Please, they should speak. Keep your microphones on. It's on. 784. That is correct. So I continue. We continue. I am an animal. I am a bird. I run faster than a horse. Yeah, Opoku Ware. Ostrich. Correct. End of the contest. Continue.
At the end of the contest, at the end of the contest, at the end of the contest, St. Louis Senior High School had 22 points. No, Our Lady of Grace Senior High School had 20 points. St. Louis Senior High School had 22 points. Kumasi High School had 45 points. And Opoku High School had 49 points. Congratulations to you, Opoku Ware, on winning this contest. You have qualified for the finals. And St. Louis, I wish you all the best as we part ways now. The Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Ware with support from Joy News. We say thank you to Charles for preparing and allowing the students to be here. This is a Primetime production, and my name is Dr. and Mrs. Gladys Odeshinga, your quiz mistress. Bye for now.